welcome to Geo-Technocrats once again. In our today's tutorial, we'll see that how you can link an Excel sheet to ArcGIS. Why you need to link an Excel sheet. For example, if you're going on field and you're collecting some sample for which you have to do analysis. While collecting the samples, you have recorded the GPS locations and tabulated them in an Excel sheet. Now you want all those GPS locations from where you have collected the sample. You want to link those locations to ArcGIS, or you want to overlay those locations on a satellite image. In that case, you have to link that Excel sheet with GPS locations to ArcGIS. So let us see that how you can link an Excel sheet on ArcGIS.
Let us understand the concept of linking or importing GPS locations or coordinates to Arcmap. For example, during a research or some area, here in my case it is Mumbai city, I collected some samples and tabulated its GPS coordinates in an Excel sheet. So these are my sampling sites. And these are the coordinates, that is latitude and longitude associated with each site. So I just want to import all these points on my Arcmap. So let us see how we can do it. It is like in case of ArcGIS, it is very simple. So one thing you have to make sure that you have latitude and longitude all in decimal degree format. And also you should have a header. This is the header mentioning the field name, which should contain only letters, no special characters, so it can be linked easily. So let us start with the process. So launch your Arcmap, go to File, add data, add XY data. Then here you just have to browse your Excel file. So just click on this folder, and browse your Excel sheet. Okay. Now here it will detect the fields. So in our Excel sheet we were having 3 different fields: latitude, longitude and sampling locations. So it will detect the fields automatically. X field is usually your longitude and Y field it is latitude. And if it is not coming automatically, then you select from this drop down menu, you can select X field as your longitude and Y field as your latitude. Now coming to the coordinate system, now this is something which is really very important. So we have to make sure that we select the right projection or right coordinate system. Although the projection system is different for different countries, but majority of the GPS on Earth use WGS 1984 coordinate system. So you just have to go to Edit, under Geographic Coordinate System, you'll find Word and select WGS 1984 and click OK. Now simply click OK. Okay, so here are your points which are added. All the coordinate system, they are added to your Arcmap. The next step is you have to export them as shapefile, as a vector data. So you just right click on it, on this temporary file which is created, go to data, export data, and here you have to export your points. For example, I'm giving the name as GPS coordinates .shp and save. Okay. Yes. So this is your final shapefile, and if you see the attribute table, you can see the latitude, longitude, as well as the name of the sampling locations, same as that of our Excel sheet. So now your Excel sheet is imported on your ArcGIS as a shape file. Now you can cross check whether your locations are right or not by adding the base map to it. But before that, you can change the symbology so that it is more prominent. Right, you can go to this icon of add and add base map in the form of imagery. It will be added in a while. Okay, so here is your base map for Mumbai, and these are your different locations from where you have collected the samples. For example, you want to do a modeling, right? In that case, that depends upon your project, which project you are working. So in that case, you need to extract the reflectance value of the image for these respective locations. So you want to overlay them on any satellite image. So for example, this is the satellite image, or this is the NDVI, normalized differential vegetation indices, the image, and I want the value, the pixel value corresponding to these GPS coordinates. So in that case, I can just zoom in, and you can see you can extract the values, the pixel value corresponding to each GPS coordinate. So this was all about importing the GPS coordinates from Excel to Arcmap. Thank you.